Wanted to know how to fix a burnout? Check this video till the end and you will find out all secrets. This video would help developers, content creators, traders, crypto people and all of the people in the world. This is basic guide how to overcome a burnout. No additional information, no water, only facts. Let's move in how to fix a burnout. First one, take a rest. To properly understand what is the root cause and what is the problem, you need to take a step back. You need to have a time to relax. You need to stop at work, calm down a little bit and separate it from your life. Then you would have a time for yourself. You would have a time to analyze what's wrong with your life, what you don't like and what you like. Take a free time is the more important concept that would allow you to fix a burnout easily. Next one, second, analyze what's good and what's wrong in your life, what you wanted to improve, why you feel yourself sad. In ideal case, you need to understand the root cause of your issue, why you have burnout. Third one, next tip, change the focus of your intention. So previously was focused a lot on the work, change the focus on something else. Try to find new hobby, try to something new. You need to forget about place where you have a burnout. You need to abstract you from these things that cause you burnout. So when you would successfully change focus, you should dive deep into this hobby. Next one, make a new friends. It's important here, when you start a new hobby, it's better to have a new people around you. You need to let your mind to think that you start in life from a new scratch of paper. At this moment, you shouldn't allow people from past take into your life, your colleagues, boss, etc. You need to create fully new environment for you. And fresh, cool environments start with new people. Next one would be alternative for this. If you don't know and not interested in new hobby or meeting new people, you should do what you want. So take a free time, take a day off, take illness days, take burnout illness days if it's possible in your work. Have full time with yourself. Try to analyze what you think it, what you really wanted to do. Ask you every second what I wanted to do now, what I wanted to do now, what I wanted to do now. After some period of time it would work, you would get answers. No worry here if you don't want to do anything. If you just wanted to lay in bed, lay in bed. It's important here to allow you to do that you wanted. You need to make it so much time that you would feel bored and tired from this. For example, you're laying on a bed and watching serials. After some time you would bored after it. But it's important to let you do that you wanted. Next one, change your habits. If you got unhealthy habits, change it to more healthier. Here you would feel yourself mentally better. Get rid of smoking, eating junk food, food with a lot of sugar. Try to test healthy lifestyle. Next one, improve your basic routine. If you do everything that you wanted, you should focus on your basic routine. What is a basic routine? It's your eating, it's how you sleep, and it's your physical activity. It's a basement which is really important for you. If you have health problems, fix them. Not wait long. Fix them now. You have problem with food? Try to eat healthy food now, don't wait. You have problem with physical activity, start walking, start looking for some places. Lay down in bed until you wanted to go for a walk, then just walking. Focus on these basic activities. Try to be step by step improving your life, not everything in one time. Focus only on sleep, then on food and on activity. Your health would benefit you. When you would change focus on your health from a work, it would benefit you, you would feel yourself healthier and better. When you would feel yourself better, it would be less chance that you would have a burnout issues. Next tip, after doing these things, make sure that you understand yourself good. Make sure that you feel yourself good. Make sure that you feel changes. Support your healthy lifestyle. Try to have a good sleep, good eat, and you need to make it for some time. Even if you feel mental illness for now, let's focus on these activities. Next step, really understand the root cause. Why you was having a burnout. Take a look back and try to understand what exactly you didn't like in your life at that moment. Identifying root cause, it's very important because we need to cure the whole issue, not only symptom. For example, you could compensate a burnout with a high dopamine diet. You could eat a lot of junk food, a lot of sugar food. You could drink alcohol and doing other bad activities for your health to compensate a burnout. It would cure symptoms for a short period of time, but in long period of time it wouldn't work. So it's important to concentrate firstly on healthy lifestyle and then really think what is the root cause of your burnout. Next one is eliminate the root cause. It's as simple as that. If it was toxic environment, get rid of this place. If there are some people that you have conflicts, your managers, other people, try to speak with them. But speak with them after you have a rest. You should have a time for yourself to understand yourself better and then you need to talk to other people. This fixing burnout flow helps a lot of people. If you need more advanced support, if you need more personal individual approach, check link in description, contact with me through Telegram and other socials and I would help you. A lot of people fixed this problem with my help. Why you should keep it in your life? Write in comments if you have any insights from this information. Because all of this information helped my students to overcome a burnout, and here are only facts without water. I wish you to take care of your mental health. Have a nice day. Bye.